A water treatment plant never stops. Hundreds of variables influence the operation. Interconnected processes, real-time decisions, and behind every efficient operation, there is a team capable of supervising, interpreting, and acting. Because in a critical operation, reacting already means being too late. At Huesa, after-sales service enables into an operational intelligence model. We integrate technical planning, advanced analysis, and continuous optimization to monitor the overall performance of every installation. We transform information into decision-making capability, and decision-making capability into sustained performance. Real-time monitoring allows us to detect deviations before they impact on operations. We anticipate incidents, reduce response times, minimize operational risks, because ensuring continuity means acting before the problem exists. When an installation requires intervention, we activate a specialized technical response. Technical audit, preventive maintenance, technical assistance service, improvement and optimization projects. Every process requires a specific balance. That is why we develop chemical control strategies tailored to each plant, based on continuous analysis, dynamic adjustments, and permanent monitoring of critical parameters. We optimize water quality, operational stability, and system efficiency. Our work does not end with maintenance. We analyze the system in depth to identify opportunities for continuous improvement and optimization. We correct deviations, we optimize processes, we increase performance. Because an efficient plant today must be even better tomorrow. The technical capability of Huesa supports clients on an international scale. Wherever an installation operates, there is a team prepared to support, supervise, resolve, and optimize, regardless of the distance, without stopping operations. At Huesa, after-sales service is much more than support. It is intelligence applied to operational continuity. It is control, anticipation, response, constant optimization. Because operational continuity does not depend on chance, it depends on who is behind it. Because when a plant starts operating, the true value of Huesa begins. Huesa, excellence drop by drop.